if the supporters get winnings, we are happy. If the supporters get losing, we are not happy. So we are in one boat. So, but the supporters have to understand now. We have to prepare. Yeah, you cannot build a team or maybe a house in 4 weeks. If you build a house in 4 weeks, the first storm is coming, it's falling down. So we have to prepare now a house for the next months, for the next years. And this is always better. You make a plan and you go forward with the correct plan, and then you are stable in the future. So that's our. But I wrote in the social medias, our supporters, they are very smart. They can feel we need time. You know, they said to me, Coach, we have time this season, prepare, but next season we have to go forward. And that's the things what we need. We don't have time in football, but sometimes we have to give also players, they are 20 years old, 23 years old. They need also time, especially in clubs like JSK. They have to adapt this time, they have to adapt the improvement. And now comes maybe with a new coach, new signings. It's also a part of time what we need. And we have a chance, we are not far from the top place, and we do our best. And trust me, the supporters know me, for sure they analyze my work more than maybe some people see in the room. They know exactly how we can work, how we can play. Some supporters have good analyzings about my person, about my playing style. And I think they understand. But we know we have also 10-20% of supporters. They are supporters, they are emotional. If you lost the game, then they are upset. No, I'm also upset, trust me. But we have to go forward in the future. We trust each other. We fight together, we win together, and we lose together. It's also part of football, losing. It's also coming forward. About a lose, you get also more experience. Do it better next time.
Il dit que nous avons le même ressenti que les supporters, donc quand nous gagnons, nous sommes contents avec eux, et quand nous perdons, c'est également le même ressenti. Mais d'après ce qu'il a vu sur les réseaux sociaux, il a quand même analysé que les supporters de la JSK sont intelligents, ils connaissent très bien le football. Ils doivent comprendre qu'aujourd'hui, nous sommes face à un défi de prouver, de bien préparer, d'avoir un bon plan pour la prochaine saison. Et c'est vrai que dans le football, nous n'avons pas le temps, mais des fois, il faut être patient et bien préparer son équipe. Nous avons une équipe très jeune qui a un potentiel, et c'est notre objectif aujourd'hui de bien la préparer. Et nous travaillerons justement pour rendre la JSK. Il a dit également que nous avons la chance d'être près du podium, et nous allons tout faire pour prouver ça. Voilà. Et il dit que nous restons attentifs à toutes les remarques des supporters. Il y a aussi une partie des supporters qui sont assez exigeants, qui agissent avec de l'émotion. On les comprend, c'est des supporters, mais aussi aujourd'hui, il faut être rationnel et travailler pour bien préparer une équipe